Hi, welcome back. We're going to do part three of analogies now. So I want you to help me out. We're going to practice some more, and then I'm going to send you on your own to do some. You're going to need a notebook and a pencil to do this. But in the beginning, we're going to do these together, and then I'll pause it so you can work on it on your own. So if you remember, we look at the first set of pictures and see how they're related, how they change. Here we have a square that's split up into four pieces, and the lines are going up and down. Here, do you notice any kind of change? Yeah, it's still in four pieces, but the lines are going sideways now. So can we have the same thing happen to this ball? So the line is going up and down. Can we have the same kind of change happen? Okay, we have one where the line is going sideways. We have one that has two dark lines going sideways. And we have the ball change completely different color. I didn't notice that happen in the first picture, so I think this one is not going to be a choice. So we have to decide between A and B. Let's look back at our first set. Lines going up and down and sideways. Line going up. Let's pick letter A because the line is now going sideways. This one had two lines. That would be too much of a change. Here we have a cloud that has rain coming down, and we use an umbrella when it's raining. When it's sunny out, do we use shoes, ice cream, or sunglasses? Well, we probably do wear shoes, but that's not going to be something we do because it's sunny out. We might eat ice cream, but again, that doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be something we do because the sun's out. We could eat ice cream at night, but we wear sunglasses when it's sunny out, especially at the beach. All right, ready to go back in time with me? This is going to go all the way back to 1980. This right here is a cassette player. All right, it plays music with a cassette. All right, so this is from the 1980s. Same thing. We have film, which would take pictures. So we would put film inside of which one of these? Put film in a picture, put film in a camera, put film in the mailbox. You would put film in a camera. Now, today we don't really use film in a camera too much anymore, and cassettes are no longer used, but I thought this was a neat one to go back in time a little. Right, so ask your mom and dad about cassette players and film and camera. All right, let's go back to the 2021. We have a magnifying glass, which makes things nice and big, and we have a microscope, which also makes things nice and big, right in front of us. Now, these are binoculars to see things far away, and will make things nice and close. I use binoculars to look at the moon. So it's good for looking at things far away. Which of one of these things would also be good for seeing things far away? Because both of these are good for seeing things close. So we need a partner for this one to see things far away. Would it be a telescope? Stars. Now, stars are far away, but that's not going to help us see stars. A helicopter would get us closer to stars in the sky, but not really that much closer. But a telescope will do wonders for seeing things in space. So that would be the choice here. All right, let's look at some math, some shapes. We have a trapezoid, upside down trapezoid, actually. Then we have a trapezoid back on the correct. Well, one's upside down, one's right. Now we have a peace sign. Okay, could even be a pizza, just cut funny. All right, so we have a line down the middle with a peace sign. Now this one, the shape's just flipped. Can you see one that has a peace sign? Both of these have peace signs. This one turned a little. This is not a peace sign. And this one is flipped just like the picture. So that will be our choice right there, letter C. You think you're ready to do these? Okay. I am going to pause it right here. I'm going to shrink this a little so you can see it all on one screen too. Okay, so we have four choices here. And you're going to look at the first set of pictures. And then you're going to try to match up the second set of pictures the same way. I want you to pause the video right now so you can look at these. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're done, come back to Mr. Lyon's webpage and check the next video, and I'll go over the answers with you. So do 1, 2, 3, 4. All you have to do is write A, B, or C. This is the time to pause the video